Hi guys, so I'm back after serving my reservice for 2 weeks. Today we're going to be talking about a very unique product which is going to help you for your photography or for your vlogging. I'm going to be talking about this circular light which come in different forms. There are actually different brands with different names, but today we're going to take a look at this one called the Goule Selfie ring light. So this one is able to attach to your cameras, to your mobile phones or even your compact cameras. So let's open this up and see what it can offer. So first you get this USB charger which all accessories should have, and some gift cards, message, and the manual. But I believe this is simple enough that we do not have to use the manual. So let's put all of this aside. So this is the light itself, and it comes with 3 different options: low, medium, and high. So let's mount this on my mobile camera as a start to see how it looks. So you want to take this and clamp it on top of the camera right here without blocking the camera hole, and here you go, you have the light itself. I'm going to record a few videos to show you guys what the quality like with the low, medium, and high, and we're going to go out with my compact camera to see the quality in the outdoor environment. So before we start, let's off my main light. Okay, so this is on the low function. Okay, let's bring it up a notch. This is on the medium. And this is on the high. As you can see, this is quite useful for even indoor videoing, as this provides a minimum coverage for the light and not having very dark shadows around me. Now, since we already tested it on my mobile camera, let's test it on my RX100, which has a selfie screen, and it will help me definitely to light up some of my videos. But let's see how much it does for this. So I'm going to show you how it's mounted, and we're going to bring it out to see how it looks. Okay, so first you want to turn it on, and you want to clip it right here on top of the screen without covering the camera. So it's mounted right here. Now let's bring it outdoors and see how it works. So guys, we are out here in the night. This is the footage from my RX100 Mark V without the ND filter on. Now let's on the light and see how it looks. So this is the light at its low setting. I really like this low setting. I guess it really more than does it for me, but let's try on the medium for fun. So this is the medium. It's a little bit harsh and a little bit strong, but since we're at it, let's try on the high too. Wow, the high is really bright. So guys, this is the high setting. It's a little bit strong. As you can see, there are some extra strong highlights on my face. So I think this is a little bit too much. Let's turn it on back to low. Here it is. So among all the settings, I do prefer this low setting as it more than does it for me. The rest of the lights are a little bit too strong and too glaring. If not, let's head on back. Okay guys, so I don't know how you feel about this light, but I'm really loving it. Now comparing this with my other lights that I have, such as my ALM9 and this ring light, this tool requires it to be mounted on the camera or with an external device. Whereas this light is already mounted on the camera itself, it provides a lot of convenience comparing with the other lights that I currently have. So let's come on to the main question. Who is this light for? This light is for all those who like to travel vlog and be able to have their face lit up with the basic features while illuminating a little of the background. It's definitely not for all those who tend to shoot product shoots or studio photography, as this light is quite minimal. It will not be able to light up your whole scene or even expose some of the nicer features of your products. But for vlogging, this really works really well. So how much is this? This costs only about 20 USD. I'm sure there are other brands out there, but it will probably hover around the below 20 USD price range. So in this festive season, I believe this is one of the better things you can get for your friends who like to take a lot of selfie or like to do a lot of vlogging. At the price range of below 20 USD, it barely hurts your pockets, and I believe it makes a lot of your friends smile after having this. So if you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and comment down below what do you like about this light and if you're considering getting it for your friends. Do also leave down in the comments if there are other brands of light which you think I might look at, which might be similar to this, and I can do a side-by-side comparison. Either way, please look up here for my playlist for other gadget reviews, which I think you will definitely like if you like this one. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video.